everyone, I am Arna Mishra of class 7th A and today I am going to speak a thought on the World Population Day. So, the thought is, if we don't halt population growth with justice and compassion, it will be done for us by nature, brutally and without pity, and will leave a ravaged world.
Starting with the population update. The population of the world is 7.9 billion as in July 2021. Time to look at an international news. The UN Secretary General said that the COVID-19 pandemic affects everyone everywhere, but it does not affect everyone equally. Time for a national population update. The current population of India is 1,393,605,337 as of Sunday, July 4, 2021. Time to look at the theme for this World Population Day. The theme for this World Population Day is Rights and Choices, which aims at women empowerment.
On this World Population Day, let us draw the attention to the most pressing problem of the earth.
The population is nearing an explosive stage. It is the main cause behind the paucity of food grains, houses, employment, and in recent case, a crisis for hospitals too. We believe that there should be a check on population. India will overtake China as the most populous country by 2025 or perhaps sooner. In our case study, we identify various factors that contribute to this exponential growth. We also try to seek redressal.
Hello Ram Prakash, after a long time, how have you been? You look shrunken. I hope everything is fine. Well, sit.
Whoa, Lakshman bhai, you look so changed. As for me, yes, I am totally heartbroken. All my 7 sons are good for nothing. I had to divide my land among them. I never sent them to school thinking they will serve better as helping hands in the field, but the yield has lowered and their quarreling has begun. I often go to bed hungry. I cannot feed so many mouths.
Alas, you should consider the followed before.
How are you, my friend? Is that your new tractor?
By the grace of God, all is well. From the beginning, I did family plannings. My only daughter is Vidushi, and as the name suggested, she is a blessing.
Namaste, Chacha.
Girl child, didn't you try for a son?
Well, she is more than a son to me.
Father's presents. I went to school. My father got grants from the government for following the one-child norm. And guess what? I even received a scholarship. The tractor right there is a gift from me to my father to show how much love and respect I have for him in my heart.
Oh, right. Now I understand the necessity of Hum Do Hamare Do program.
Conclusion. From this case study, we learn that education and awareness can go a long way to control population and create a prosperous India. Thank you.
Population, the whole number of people or inhabitants in a country or in a region. World population growth. I want to start this with the year 1600. In the year 1600, the world population was approximately 60 crores. Then, in year 1700, the world population was approximately 60 crores. Then in year 1800, the world population was approximately 1 billion, and in 1900, the world population was 1 billion plus. And then in 2000, the world population was more than 6 billion. And now in 2021, the world population is approximately 7.8 billion. Indian population after independence and now. In the year 1947, the Indian population was 340 millions, and now in 2021, the Indian population is approximately 1.39 billion. UP. UP is the most populated Indian state. According to 2011 census, UP has the population of more than 199 millions, and it has no doubt that if UP is a separate country, then UP would be at 5th position in the number of population, and the first three are India, USA and China.